Hi, I'm Denise DeRose. I'm a master gardener and we're here at Harvest for the Hungry Gardens. But today I bought some of the end of my harvest from my garden at home. And we want to talk today about some of the different varieties of paste tomatoes and what's good and bad about each one of them. So if we look at these, I have three kinds of paste tomatoes here and two that have been advertised as paste tomatoes but are not. So let me start here with what everybody knows about. This is a San Marzano paste tomato. It has just basically 2 chambers of seeds in it, very little juice, and is easy to use to make sauce. This is one that is less well known. This is an Amos Coli paste tomato, and it is larger and juicier than the San Marzano, but still a very good paste tomato, and it has 2 chambers of seeds. And then we have one that few people know about. I'll show you a big one here. This is our Goldman's Italian American tomato, which is also a paste tomato and a very, very productive plant, more productive than any of the other paste tomatoes. It's great for sauce. I use it a lot for canning whole and chopped tomatoes, and it is great for doing that as it has very little juice in it, but it does have, there are seeds in each one of these little chambers, so if you're in the process of digging the seeds out to can whole tomatoes, it's a little bit more difficult to do.